Okay, today we are making a non-Newtonian fluid, otherwise known as Oobleck. This is a substance that exhibits the properties of both a solid and a liquid. We are using 2 parts cornstarch to 1 part water. As we stir the water with the cornstarch, you see how it is beginning to thicken, and that is only because the spoon is being used as the force against it. When left alone and not touched by any type of force, it is runny and watery. But because of the force of the spoon, it seems to thicken. Oobleck is a mixture of a solid, which is the cornstarch, that is suspended in a liquid, which is obviously the water. It behaves like a solid when forces acted on it quickly, but because the pressure forces all the particles of cornstarch together, they behave like a solid. When you move through it slowly, the particles of cornstarch have time to move away and they slip around the object. And that is why oobleck is considered a non-Newtonian fluid.